Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Eva and this is my unboxing channel where I unbox many boxes such as beauty, horror and things that might be a little bit weird. Okay, so today I've got a box from America called Ice Cream Beauty. This is my second box from them. It is a box full of beauty products and it is really good value. It literally about $30 and they'll ship it to the United Kingdom for a very small amount, so I think I paid around about 20, maybe about £26 for this each month. Okay, it took about a week to come, maybe a bit longer, maybe like 10 days, a week to 10 days to come, but we have had the Easter holidays too. So I'm just going to open it up and show you what's inside. There's a lot of fluffy bits, or green fluffy bits. I don't know if the greens have something to do with the theme, but yeah, there's a lot of these. Just kind of get rid of those so that they don't all fall out. You get around kind of 5 to 7 products in this each month, and I found it much better than most of these beauty boxes over here, which is why I'm kind of sticking to this one. Okay, so I've took most of those out. Okay, so we've got this one. This is quite a small leaflet that tells you what's in it. Not the best thing, but I don't really keep those anyway, so I suppose if they're bigger it's a bit of a waste of paper. Well, the first thing we've got is a Wonder Gloss, a Blossom Balm, and it says it cleanses and removes makeup while nourishing lashes and brows. Okay, I've never heard of that. Does it give me a price? Yep, it does. It's normally $26. Okay, so let's have a look. I'm going to try and get it open to see what we've got. Ah, so it's pink. It's like a pink balm. It smells quite okay too. I'll show you that there. It's like a pinkish balm. I know I meant to rub it in my face. And it gives like that kind of glossy sheen. What's the smell? Yeah, kind of like a soapy, kind of nice, clean bathroom smell to it. With like a hint of, I don't know, maybe rose or something in there. But yeah, that's the first one. Okay, and the second one, we have got, a Hickory Iridescent lip gloss. Now I'm looking at this and I'm thinking it looks like a black one, which is unusual. So let's have a look. Oh no, it's not black. But it's quite dark and it's shimmery, which I do like a bit of shimmer. The brand is Hickory. Oh, just dropping it. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, we've kind of got that kind of, there we go. So it's kind of like a deep red colour with a hint of like shimmer. And maybe like a bit of brownish in there too. It's quite an unusual colour. I don't know if it'll show any better. It looks a lot better than what it does on the film. But it's kind of like a darkish, more like a dark, with hints of brown in there. See what information I can get. So it says, Hickory Iridescent Lip Gloss, $17. So there's not much info about it. It is what it is, Mystique Lip Gloss. Okay, and the next product is, we've got Pure Cosmetics, a Refine and Perfect Loose Finishing Powder. It's quite a biggish, chunky box too. Oh wow. This looks pretty cool. I can get the lid off. I'm not sure how you open this. It seems like quite a lot of powders in here. I'm just trying to work out how you open it. Ah, there we go. Okay, so You've got the little spongy thing there, and I'm guessing these have all got like the plastic what you lift off, but I mean look at that, there's not just one, but there's actually 4 different powders there. Doesn't say too much about how to use them, but I'm guessing it just says refine and perfect finishing powder. Yeah, I'm guessing if you open them all, they kind of all go into one, and it'll give you like that kind of rainbow kind of highlight look. But yeah, that's pretty it's pretty cool. I might actually say in the box, no. Create a flawless, natural looking finish with pure cosmetics, refine and perfect loose finishing powder. Weightless ultra fine powder features 4 complexion refining shades that create a matte even appearance on the skin. I forgot to put the thing back, so yeah, I'm guessing they kind of all blend together when you take the thing off. That's pretty cool. And how much was that one? That's actually $40 for that one. Okay, so I've got 2 more things left. Yep, both of them are actually palettes. Wow. So which one shall we go for first? I think we'll go for this one because it's not got the plastic stuff on. So this says Ruby May Cosmetics Studio Powder. It's not giving much away with it being in the black box. So let's have a look. Oh wow, it is a contour set, powder contour, studio powder, and I'll just show you like that one. Let's just take the plastic off and have a little look. There we go. So I'll just try and do some swatches on my arm. That one's quite light, so that one's not really going to show up much. Try again with that one. It's actually the same colour as my skin, so it's not going to show, but the others will. We'll go for a light one too, maybe. Okay. So just show you there. You can't really see the lighter ones because they are very similar to my skin colour. Now the bracelets are falling off too. But yeah, that's a lovely contour set. Very happy with that. There's that one. And then the last one, I imagine is an eyeshadow palette because you do normally get an eyeshadow palette. Oh, how much was that? Right, the last one was a contour palette, which was $20. This one is the Be Bella Life in Pastel palette at $12. Bella being my daughter's name. Oh well, she's Isabella, but everyone calls her Bella. Okay, so ooh, it's kind of like rainbowish themed. We call the unicorny pinkish. There, very pretty. Oh wow, that's very pretty. I'll just turn the plastic on well. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Let's just do a few little swatches to see a whole pigmentation. Wow, yeah, that's very good. Very nice pigment to that. Going everywhere, but yep, I'll just do another one with the pink. If my arm will let me, there is. There we go. Done the three colours there. That greeny blue is like awesome. So there is that one. I will put the prices below. It is a monthly box, or you can just buy it one off if you want. But I've had 2 so far, and I've been really impressed with them both. As I said, I used to get a lot of British beauty boxes, but I mean, compared to this one, it's well, there's not much comparison really. I will stick with this one because I found one. So let's just recap what I got in this box. I got the eyeshadow palette, I got the contour palette, I got the awesome powder, which I've not seen powder like that before. I got the Wonder Gloss, the balm, which smells quite good, and I got the lip gloss, which I can't make the colour out, but it's quite nice. And that's all for under £30. I will get the exact price up below, along with the info and the website. I highly recommend, if you're into beauty boxes, paying that little tiny bit extra to get this from America, because I don't think you'll be disappointed. I'll certainly not be. And that is Ice Cream Beauty, and this is me signing off for now. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.